Okay, so we're gonna have some chill time with birds. Hi, Leonard. Elliot, that was rude. You don't need to fuss at the little peep. Fiona eating food. His son Sue is still a sad muffin. He got in there and ate food a little bit. He hadn't seemed to feel like fussing with Pippin, though. He's having a really rough day. I'm starting to wonder if offering him for hospice was the right thing to do. Might be kinder to just put him to sleep, because this is an unmanageable condition. We haven't found meds yet that do anything, aside from severely stressing out. Some days he's okay, but he's just such a sad muffin today. Well, Fiona will be able to go home on, if not this Monday, definitely next Monday. Colors returned nicely to her injured toe. Her appetite's good. Peep, I hear you. I hear the spooky. Hiya, Beetle. I have to bring it. Hello, Satin. Satin's 14 weeks old today. Hi, Cookie. No, it's not treat time. I removed their other egg. Well, their other fake egg, anyway. It's going to be candling day for the Billboard baby's egg tomorrow. Little flutter muffins. Oh, look, there's a Suki out foraging. And behind her is a very full Chai, napping a nap. They're such big peeps that both of them can be kind of hard to feed. Sorry, kids, I'm trying to get comfortable. There we go. She's only tried to go over there to the feeding station the once. Excuse me. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Dodge, you got some feather face there. Yes, Satsuki? Cookie here lately hasn't really been interested in anyone but Pippin. So, good luck with that, Sammy. Except no, because I really don't want him to have any squeakers. And it would be a shame to remove Cookie's other clutch. Or I'm sorry, Cookie's next clutch. Hi, Satin. Hello, Satin. Oh, is it fight time? Is it fight time? No? I'm just making you nervous by moving around too close. Okay. And that's what those quick little jabby bites mean. I've gotten too close. I'm making him nervous. He would like me to back up. This is part of me, though, buddy. It's got to go somewhere. Hey, Springs. Hey, Leonard. Hi, Tandy. Hello, Pookie. Oh. Hello, Tandy. I don't have treats. I don't have treats, Miss Tandy. She's so shiny. Hello, Emilio. Hop. Pardon your fluffy butt. Hello, Emilio. Hi, handsome little man. Look at your nasty feet. That tickles unspeakably, Pookie. Oh. Oh, hi, Elliot. Beetle, don't peck the stop button. Hi, Pookie. You want nursies? Oh, you want nursies. Okay. He doesn't like me to actually feed him like this anymore. The approach makes him nervous, but he still wants his nursies. This is basically the pigeon version of a pacifier. Elliot, don't be a butt. Spranks, don't be a butt. Don't be a butt. Huh, Beetle got too close to Tandy. Hello, Pookie. Hello. I know you're there. I hear you. Springs, are you fighting my skirt? He is. Oh, now Elliot wants the nursies. Now Elliot wants the nursies. Oh, precious little miss. Hey, Gus Gus. Hey, Gus Gus. Hey, Gus Gus, good girl. That's quite a poo. Thank you for that not being on my lap. Oh, what a sweet girl. Can I bring you? Can I bring you? Bring you, Gus Gus? Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. That's sweet Gus Gus. Thank you, my good girl. Gus Gus is so good. Do you have an ouch feather coming in? I'm sorry. Gus Gus gets feather cysts. Her flight feathers will come in and completely miss their follicle sometimes. So they'll just push their way out through her skin. Oh, you've got some pins. Do you want me to get them? Oh, there's Gus Gus. Oh, there's Gus Gus. And Gus Gus doesn't always want treats when she comes up here. She definitely wants them when they're available. Ooh. Oh, I found a bunch of pins. Oh, I found a bunch of pins. I'm sorry. Was I knocking you off balance? That Gus Gus? Yeah, a preneck girl. Oh, I know, a preneck girl. Give that girl the good preens. Yeah. Squid her good where she can't reach. And she can't reach with her own beak up here. Human nails are really good for this. I know. Oh, I bet that's itchy. Oh, I bet that's itchy. You got so many pins. Hang on, Gus. I'll fix it. You got so many pins. There we go. Okay, Gus is done with the preening time now. Oh, hi, Velvet. Oh, no. Pookie got too close to the other birds who are already on my shoulders. Hi, Velvet. You want the nurses too? No? Okay. Oh. You just came to preen me like a sweetie. Pookie, come step up, please. That works too. Velvet. Look how little her head is. Beetle, that was rude. Velvet is so small. Velvet is so small. How big her head is compared to like my thumb. It's not one of those in the foreground. She's just that tiny. Oh, look, her little flights and her tail feathers are growing back in. Hi, Indica. Just a never-ending parade of knee birds. Excuse me. Oh, there he goes. He just realized food was a thing, and he could have it. Well, his appetite's definitely good. Oh. Hello, Satin. Oh, bye, Emilio. Hi, Satin. You can go yell at Springs. Hey, Thistle. Hey, Thistle. Oh, hi, Leela. Bye, Leela. Aw, a Thistle. A preen in my camera hand. There is this beetle who has been on my camera wrist this entire time. Yes, hello, Thistle. Yes, you can have the nursies. Yes, his boy. Yes, his boy. He's like, I wanted the nursies, but now... Oh, no. I'm sorry, Chai. Unfortunately, that is the lesson little peeps have to learn. Every nest box belongs to someone. Little peeps can rest there for a bit, but they're probably going to get chased out by the bird that thinks they own that box. That pup. Oh, hello, Suki. Looks like Suki has had enough of be around other birds. Oh no! She's a lot quicker on her feet than Chai, though, because of the sheer size of his ridiculous muffs. So she gets harassed a little less. Being able to get out of the way quickly is very important in pigeon social structure when they're very little. That's how you make the hazing stop. You learn very quickly to get the crap out of the way. That's why peeps, when they just get down from the nest box, tend to be very nervous and very mistrustful. Rigby has gone to see a cloud. Now, whether or not she's actually gone to feed the cloud, we will find out momentarily. Possibly not. Definitely not. Callahan's like, dang it. Thistle is just a perfect blend of Tandy and Emilio. Isn't he? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you for sweet be that Thistle. He's what would happen if you were to average his mom and dad together. Elliot has her mom's face on her dad's build. Very little. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Tandy. Hey, Emilio. Hi, Thistle. Thank you for being gentle, MJ. That's a good boy. It's a very good boy. Lord knows, Goodby is difficult for an MJ. Elliot and Leonard are cute together. Leave Sunsu alone. He's eating food. Oh, this preeny Thistle. I love this Thistle also. Oh no, it's fight time. Oh no. Or do you just want me to stop trying to preen you? He just wants me to stop trying to preen him. He wants to preen me. Okay. Now, Sprinks, that was a little hard, baby. Yes, Thistle, you're very sweet to preen me. He's a very sweet boy. That is indeed the sweetest Thistle. Sprinks, you're pinching my armpit again. Pinch my armpit. Maybe. Ow, Sprinks, no, go away. If you can't not pinch my armpit, you have to go away. That hurts. You're not gonna get me to sweat by pinching me. That happens when I'm hot. Well, we have just about hit the 20-minute mark, so I will go ahead and sign off of here. In addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, both in small-scale companion breeding and small-scale rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Yeah, good luck with that, Thistle. We will reconvene in a little bit for training time with Beeps.